Please do not mount your equipment until a dry installation has been successfully completed. Customers will not be eligible for over-the-phone support until this step is completed. What is a dry installation? A dry installation is the setup and test of your system before it is permanently mounted in its final location. A successful dry installation must ensure all equipment is properly powered and connected, as indicated in your equipment diagram, and that all cameras are online. To begin, you will first need to have your equipment diagram available for reference. Your equipment diagram was emailed to you as a PDF attachment. If you need to search your inbox for your equipment diagram, the email subject containing it is shipment. During the dry installation and final installation, please ensure the correct cables are used. Please note the difference between cables labeled short wire and cables with a corresponding letter, in this case, cable A. A short wire will look like this, and a lettered cable will look like this. All equipment will need to be powered during the dry installation. It may be helpful to use a power bar and/or extension cord. You can determine how many outlets will be needed by noting how many injectors and switches are indicated on your equipment diagram. Please note that injectors have two ports. One port provides power and the other transfers data. Depending on the type of device, the power port may be labeled as data and power out, or P+D out, or PoE. The data port may be labeled as data in or LAN. You can confirm your camera is receiving power when you see a red LED light. A PTZ camera, however, takes a couple minutes to power. You can confirm it is receiving power when you can hear the PTZ making this noise. A base, mid, or top model PTZ will begin to move around after receiving power. This will take a couple minutes, but will look like this. An antenna will indicate it is receiving power by being lit blue. If you have a different antenna model than the one previously shown, then you can look for a white light on the injector. To demonstrate a dry installation, we will base our setup off of this equipment diagram. We'll begin by connecting a short cable to the router, getting out our main antenna, connecting its injector to the data or LAN port, and finally connecting cable A to the power or PoE port and powering the antenna. We have now followed the equipment diagram exactly as indicated. Now, we want to ensure this equipment is left exactly as it is, properly powered and connected. Next, we'll also set up the other portion of the system. We'll start by powering the PoE switch and connecting the cameras to their designated cable. The antenna will be powered by its injector, and the data or LAN port will be connected to the data port of the switch. We have now followed the equipment diagram exactly as indicated. We want to ensure that both the barn equipment and the house equipment are left as is, properly powered and connected, so we can complete the dry installation. Next, you'll need to download the Guarding Vision app to your phone. The Guarding Vision app can be found in your App Store. Next, select Canada, and then create your account login. Please ensure you save your login credentials and/or securely write them down. You'll then need to verify your account and enter a security code that was sent to the email or phone number you used to create your account. You can now add your cameras to your account by pressing the plus sign in the top right corner. You will need to add the serial number for your camera, which can be found on the box of your camera beside SN. After you have entered the serial number for your camera, you will be asked to enter a verification code. The verification code is 123456. Once you have successfully added all of your cameras and can see their live camera image, you can then proceed with the physical installation of your system.